Hello, my name is Tarek Devkota, the Devkota Law Firm, here to answer a question. Should I talk to the insurance company after my personal injury, whether it be your own insurance company or the insurance company of the person that has caused you harm? Really, the answer is pretty simple. No, absolutely not. The insurance company may say that you're in good hands with them. The insurance company may say, we're here to protect you. We're here for you. The insurance company is here to make sure they minimize the amount of money they pay on the very claim that you are seeking help from them. Okay? So the answer to that question is no. So I need to explain why. Okay? Let us use the typical example of a personal injury case like an automobile case. Okay? We're in Kansas City, or we're in Dallas, or we're in Houston, or we're in St. Paul, Minneapolis. It's the same thing. When you call the insurance company, you are on a recorded line. That recorded line memorializes exactly what you said without representation. Words may be put in your mouth. You may have not a full grasp of what has happened. What do many people do? They call the insurance company as soon as they're injured at the scene of an accident. Do you really know what's going on? Have you really had the time to assess how you feel? Are you full of adrenaline, pumped up, and wild-eyed, and don't really know what's going on? And they're asking you very critical key questions about your case that are going to be used against you, whether it's in a demand with a lawyer like my office or at trial. They're going to say, we have a recorded statement from this person claiming that they have this or that. The best thing to do after you have suffered an injury is call my office, the Devkota Law Firm, or the attorney of your selection. I prefer that you call our office, of course. But a trained attorney will be able to position your case in a way that protects you from an unscrupulous claims adjuster, and that's unfortunately exactly what it is, trying to reduce the value of your claim. Things they might ask you is, can you please tell me where you're hurt? Can you please tell me what happened? Can you please evaluate the accident and exactly how it went down? These are questions that you shouldn't be answering at any time after your accident, especially right after your accident. They have trained professionals who are there to take these questions. That is their full-time job. They are trained professionals to take the answers that they want from you. You are not a trained professional. That's not a fair fight. You don't put a trained boxer in a match with somebody who's never been to the gym. You want to make sure that you've got somebody who is a trained professional to get in that ring for you, such as myself. I'd like to think you would pick me. But I have 22 years experience dealing with these adjusters, and many of these adjusters have more years than I do trying to get these answers out of you. So don't call the insurance company unless you have representation. That's my advice. Thank you.
For over 21 years, the Devkota Law Firm has represented the vulnerable communities in the Kansas metro area with personal injury, motor vehicle accidents, workers' compensation, medical negligence, and representation in court.